Welcome to my channel. I am Ben, the business analyst expert.
Ben here. I got something for you that I think is going to absolutely change the game. This is different than anything that you've seen before on the internet when it comes to making money online. So regardless if you're brand new to the internet, as far as making money, or you are a veteran affiliate marketer, network marketer, you're going to love what I have for you today because this has really been taking the world by storm over the course of the past 2 weeks. I wanted to take a look at my screen. As you can see, it has only been 2 weeks, and I've already made around $7,000, which includes $6,500 in referral commissions and $305 in rewards. As you can see, I've already withdrawn $4,500. This platform is still in beta phase right now. A lot of stuffs are happening behind the scenes. They're adding a lot of new features, but all this is going to be ready when they publicly launch next month. So before you jump to any conclusions, I want you to be open-minded. I know you might be thinking that this is another one of these trading bots that's just going to last for a few months, then it's going to go under, and it's going to take all your money. We've all been a part of one of these pyramid schemes, unless you're living under a rock. So here are the main 2 reasons that made me decide to jump on board with this opportunity. Number 1, the company is a faith-based organization, and the business has been around for more than 6 years. The company has been selling their digital products for the past 6 years and has been doing a lot of charity work all over the world under their foundation called One Vision, One Heart. If you go on their website, you will see all the different projects they've been involved with. And they have 10% of their company net profits to fund all these projects. That shows you that they're not in this for themselves. The money's actually used for a good cause. The second reason I decided to join this company is their leadership team. The CEO, Steve Sugrim, is a church minister and has over 30 years of business experience. Then you have Scott Bland, their VP of Operation, who has over 20 years of ministry experience, and he's a licensed personal development and mindset coach. Then you have Lovemore Jeza, who is also a pastor and is the ambassador of the Global Institute Church in Johannesburg, South Africa. And finally, you have Dr. Lydie Lewis, who is their chief legal counsel, and most importantly, she's worked with the SEC. As you can see, this is actually a legitimate company that has been around for 6 years, and they just recently added the rewards program into their product line. Now let's go over their different product packages. The company has 4 different packages. All their packages give you access to their wholesale travel portal, their global discount directory, their online training courses, and their rewards program. When you purchase any of these packages, you can make up to 3 times that amount from the reward program. Pretty much, if you purchase the $100 package, you'll receive 300 points from the reward program. This is 3 times your purchase. If you purchase the $2,500 package, you can receive $7,500 from reward points. Now let's take a look at the reward program itself. As you can see, there's not a fixed daily return like you will see in most of the other platforms. The daily rewards vary. You can see that this is legit and seems more sustainable than most of the projects out there. They also have a referral program that can allow you to earn additional income if you are someone that likes to build teams. So now let's check out the compensation plan. As you can see, you earn 20% commission each time a member sign up using your referral link. So if you recruit a new affiliate and he orders the $2,500 package, you'll be making $500 commission, and he can earn commissions up to 3 levels down. 20% on the first level, 10% on the second level, and 5% on the third level. I think this is going to revolutionize the affiliate marketing industry. You do not need to recruit to make money. You can receive up to 300% from the reward program on any of the packages you choose. So it's pretty much risk-free. You get access to high-quality products, multiple training materials, travel opportunities, and more. You can make a ton of money from referring other people to the program. And most importantly, you're part of an organization that is making a lot of positive impact around the world. As you can see, this program is brand new, and you need to jump on board before everybody does. You'll find the registration link below this video. And when joining my team, you'll get access to all the strategies that I use to generate $7,000 in 2 weeks with this program. You'll also get access to the exact same funnel that I'm using to generate hundreds of prospects each month on autopilot. See you on the other side.
Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.